was saying, delta, like a delta out of the money, expiration 30 days. This is something that I do quite often, right? Whenever I trade options, I usually buy them, 30 to 45 days out of the money or longer, right? Because whenever we do that, then it prevents you from having theta decay. So if you guys have ever traded options before, you know what I mean. Theta decay can eat you alive if you're trading short-term options. They do move a lot when the market moves, but you're also fighting a downtrend, right? Because just naturally options lose value over time. So the closer you are to their expiration dates, the more likely it is that that you're going to lose money quickly, right? So even let's say if you had like a 1 day old option, right? And if it went in the correct direction for you, it's still possible that you lose money, right? Because you're actually fighting that time decay. So this is actually a pretty interesting strategy. It's taking into account that as well. We're gonna have to teach this AI to know how we can actually build some pretty complex stuff. There's some things that I'm thinking of here. Okay, there we go. We got that going. We're starting a back test. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to make myself a little note in my to-do list to remind me of this. I'm going to make a few changes there. Okay, let's see what it built. Okay, so I've successfully built the dynamic put sniper strategy revision 1 based on your blueprint. To answer your question, yes, rolling logic is superior choice here. Holding a single put until the bottom often results in giving back profits as the option goes deep in the money. Okay, entry trigger buy put option. Okay. Rolling logic checks daily. If delta hits negative 70 deep in the money, it sells a position and immediately buys a fresh out of the money put to compound gains. Okay, cool. So it started a back test for us automatically. But what I would like to do is run a back test over the time when the market fell in 2025. I think it was around March or April. We want to back test over that downturn plus a few weeks at the start and end so that we can see if this works in a downturn like that. All right, so let's see. We have the AI analyzing my request. Let's see if we can figure this out. This is actually a pretty complex ask. I'm actually putting the AI through its paces right now. It's starting a back test automatically, checking back test status. Okay, let's see.
So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments, so I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.